Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Ariba Drawing Tutorials. Today I am drawing a basic scenery for children especially and also for beginners. So take out your pencil. I'm using a 2 HP pencil. You can use a simple pencil also. I am here drawing a tree. So let's draw with me. I'm drawing the branches of the tree in such a manner, one above another. Now using a scale, I'm drawing a straight line and some mountains behind the tree. Thanks for being here on my video, and don't forget to comment on my video how is it, and never forget to subscribe, and if you like it please hit the like button. So now after drawing mountains, I drew a sun, and on beneath I drew another line and I